Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Costco membership. Okay, so in this video I'm going to provide you three methods by which you can cancel your Costco membership. Okay, so the first method is very easy. You just need to speak with their team member at any warehouse, warehouse membership counter. Okay, and receive an immediate refund. Okay, if you want to receive any refund instantly, then you need to visit warehouse membership counter and you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your membership. They will cancel. Okay, and the another method, that is like calling method. You need to call their member service center, that is phone number is available on their official website, and the link is in our video description box. You can visit on the page and you can find membership related services customer service number, and showing numbers on videos is not allowed by YouTube, so that's why I have blurred the number. Okay, so now if we talk about when you connected with their member service center, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your membership. They will ask you some questions and they will cancel your membership. Okay, and the third method, you can try this method also. You need to log in into your account, and once you logged in, you need to tap on your my account section or account section. You need to select my details option. In your window, maybe details something different, but the same process, like my details option. When you select my details option, you will see this kind of window. On the same window, your details is available, your membership detail is also available. You can turn on auto renewal and you can turn off your auto renewal on this window. Okay, so by using these three methods, you can easily cancel your Costco membership. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.